Hello everyone, welcome to join Golden International Health Free Education. My name is Mary Huan, Invention Craig, Golden International Mobile Hub Life Sales. Today we will teach Golden International Mobile Hub Life Sales, the application knowledge target for yourself to protect your own health. The correct modern knowledge, Golden International Daily Actions. Golden International Daily Actions consists of 40 different actions, total of 8 Golden International Daily Actions oriented education video courses. About a brief introduction, Golden International Daily Mobile Hub Life Sales and Golden International Daily Actions, and for participate in to learn and obtain effect and so on. We already put on the following after the teaching video. Please, everyone must watch and read carefully. Now we will teaching one action among Golden International Daily Actions. First of all, we're teaching the leg action. 2, the feet standing for the T-shape for good standing, and the weight put the desk leg. Desk leg is a step out. Just a big toe, second toe touch floor, and cross to the midline, body midline, cannot that straight, and then back. Shift weight to desk leg also step up, cross midline, and then back. That's leg action. See the side. Yes. Okay. Be careful. The leg move, step out, and just the big toe, second toe touch floor. Okay. Big toe, second toe, and it's a center line, body center line, and weight still hold that leg, and then move back. Also, weight still that leg hold, and that leg is step out, big toe, second toe touch floor, but that's and cross the center line. Okay, now we do 2 times about the leg actions. Very good. Now we will give lesson about hand action. Hand action have 2 different action. First action, palm close and the palm face out. Yes, as close as your belly. And then move the body one flight, raise your center line, ear side. Cannot do that way back, only one way. Center line, top, raise yourself, and then palm 10, back. Yes, that's for first hand action. So now we do 2 times about first hand action. Very good. be careful the hand switch. Okay, from here switch, and as possible, as close as possible with your body. Right. So now we do hand, first kind hand 2 times again. Yes. Now we connect first kind hand action and leg action. Very good. Now we will teaching second kind hand action, and the bottom same, as close as with your belly, and move that open, and then close, open. Yes. Okay. And the same bottom hand is same close, but in the top open. Yes, not that. Yeah. But if you cannot do that, you close also, no big deal. Yeah. Okay, now we do 2 times about the second kind hand action. Very good. Now we connect hand action, second kind hand action, and with leg action. 1, 2, very good. Now we connect hand action, 2 kind hand action, and leg action. 1 time. Very good. Now we connect to do 4 times. We need a count. We choose the 2 kind different language. In here, we choose the English and hand. Somebody asked, why should we choose 2 kind different language to count? Good question. We give answer is after our few decades research. So we need everyday exercise our trick and long, far away broadcasts, various pandemic, and so on, many diseases. So we need to choose 2 kind different language to count. Somebody also asked, excuse me, I cannot speak high. Doesn't matter. You can choose your hometown language. For example, you come from Germany. You can choose English and German language. Only need 2 kind different language to count. Of course, eyes look straight with your smiling face, and your head should think how can make the action correct, make your every part is busy. Yes, exercise. Okay, now we do 4 times about that to connect hand action and leg action. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. Very good. Do the action couple things we need not. Number 1, the feet touch floor should lightly. Cannot make any noise. Number 2, step out feet. Big toe, second toe. However, weight still hold that leg. Okay, only big toe, second toe touch floor and should cross. Your center line cannot do that way. Yes. And always keep your body upright and avoid leaning forward or backward. And hand raise the switch, okay, up and as close as body. Move side with your body's one flight. Cannot do that way. That's only one way. And here, only one way. Cannot do that. That's only one way. Yes. Okay. Now we connect hand action and leg action. Total we do 20 times. And count, choose English high. Eyes look straight with smiling face. Head think the good action. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Very good. Do correct action, must correct action. Of course, make it easy to protect your own health. At home, every day you join Golden International Daily Actions, you can discover you are easily protect your own health. Enjoy your wonderful, happy life.